Well, boys and girls, I've gone and bought myself a chainsaw. It's not my first one, don't worry. It is in the hands of a loosely word defined professional-ish. Not really. Anyway, I bought a chainsaw, vintage, because I'm a mug and I like all things vintage. I got the little top handle saw and they're still in the van, but I seen this and I just couldn't resist myself. I paid £100 for it. It's a lot of money. It's wow, Jesus Christ, it's bloody heavy. It's a Danarm. I don't know if you can see the sign there. It doesn't have any model or anything on there. Yeah, my camera work is like shoddy as hell. But fuck it up. It's fucking Jesus Christ. How the hell did they use that? Let me get him out. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Manual oil pump. Oh, so the plan is to strip it down, get the chain free. It's all seized up. No idea, no history. The guy reckons he had it in the shed for like 15 years plus. He said he can remember it being run, but they always remember them being run. Everybody's always seen them run. But I'll strip it down. It's got a 13538 on the side there. I don't know if that's a model number. I don't know anything. All I know is that I'm bloody terrified of it. Oh, it's going to be brutal. Massive thing in the bar there. Fuck me. That chain is on there so tight, it's unbelievable. Well, I'm gonna first things first. I'm gonna strip it down and then just give it a clean and just see if get things free. Replace things like these wires and stuff, and just see if you can get things free. And if you can get it free, well, you know, spark, fuel, and air. Yeah. I hope you're as terrified as I am. I can barely pick that thing up. Diddly-dang. Right, I'm getting out of the shed because I'm freezing. But this is my vintage Danarm. Look at the size of it. Jesus Christ.